Hello everyone, here is Julie from Indigo Handmade Design. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to all of you who are new here. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to crochet a mistletoe. It's super fun to make and it goes really fast. So if you want to learn how to do this, stay with me till the end. And also don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell and also leave me a thumb up. Thank you! Okay, so for my today's project, I'm going to use category 3 acrylic yarn in red and dark green. In addition to the yarn, you are also going to need a 3mm crochet hook, yarn needle, and a pair of scissors. Now let me clear this up and let's get started. Okay, so to make the mistletoe, we are going to make first 3 of the leaves, so in green color, and then 3 berries, like so. It's very easy to make, goes really fast, and then sew them together like so. Okay, so now let me show you how to make the leaf and berry. Okay, so to make the leaves, go ahead and take your green color, your 3mm crochet hook, make a slip knot and chain a total of 15. Once you have your chain done, go in your third chain from the hook, make a single crochet, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, 1/2 double crochet in the next stitch, 1 double crochet in the next, and now we are going to make 1 picot, so chain 3, and you are going to slip stitch in your very first chain like so. And now we are going to make 3 treble crochets, so 1 treble in your next 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3, and now again 1 picot, so chain 3, slip stitch in your first chain, and now again 1 treble crochet in the next 3 stitches, in the next 3 chains, so 1, 2, and 3, and again 1 picot, chain 3, and slip stitch in your first chain, just like so, double crochet in the next, half double crochet in the next, single crochet in the next, 1 picot, now we are going to make the same on this side. Now you are going to work over your tail, so single crochet in the same stitch right here, half double crochet in the next stitch, double crochet in the next one here, now we are going to make 1 picot, chain 3, and slip stitch, and now you are going to make 1 treble crochet in your next 3 stitches, so 1, 2, and I've just realized that my camera stopped recording, so I'm going to tell you what I've made. So you are making basically the same stitch what you've made first here, you are also going to make here. So you have your 3 treble crochets, 1 picot, 3 treble crochets, 1 picot, 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, and your last 2 single crochets. And then you are going to slip stitch at the base of the leaf, chain 1 and cut your yarn, leave a longer tail for the sewing. So I hope this is helpful. Okay, now to make the berries, you are going to make a magic ring with your red color. Pull up a loop and chain 1 to secure your work. And inside of the magic ring, you are going to single crochet 6, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Close your magic ring, go to your very first single crochet and slip stitch to close. Now chain 1 and make 1 single crochet in your very first stitch and 1 single crochet in your remaining stitches. So you are going to have 6 single crochets in total. And now slip stitch to your first single crochet like so. Chain 1 to step up for your next round. And now we are going to make 2 more rounds with our 6 single crochets. So this is my second round. I have 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And now slip stitch to your first stitch right here and make another round. So chain 1 and single crochet in the same stitch. I have 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You can always use a stitch marker if you need to. And this is my first single crochet. Now slip stitch, chain 1 and cut your yarn. Leave a little bit of a tail for the sewing. And now go ahead and put this shorter tail inside of your work. And now take your yarn needle and we are going to close this gap. So go in each stitch in the front loop only. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now pull tight to close and just tie a knot here like so and bring your berry into place. And this is it. This is your leaf and this is your berry. Now go ahead and make 3 of each one. Now take first your leaves and now we are going to sew them together like so. So first these 2, just a few stitches, and tie a knot on the back or maybe 2. Now your third leaf, like so, on top. and try sewing through all of your leaves so that everybody stays in place. Now this one we can weave in. Okay, now go ahead with your yarn needle, put your berries like so, and sew them on the back. Okay, and this is it. This is your mistletoe. All done. So my lovelies, I'm again at the end of my tutorial. Thank you all for joining me today. I hope this was helpful and you've enjoyed it. And in the meanwhile, happy crocheting. Until next time. Bye bye.